I'm gonna cut up this jalapeno pepper to put in it. It's gonna be crazy. Right?
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
So I'm about to film a video on these cases. They're from Momo. Got my camera set up, ready to go. But I went to go do Uber Eats for a little while. It was really dead. I only got in one delivery. They're doing some type of promotion, but I only got in one delivery. It was dead. But I went to the store and got a few things. And it's late now. But it was like 3 in the morning. I got back. Alright, so tomorrow's Thanksgiving, right? So me and my mom are cooking. And I was about to start preparing... supposed to start preparing the baked mac and cheese tonight before I went to bed. Okay, it's already 3 in the morning. So I was coming back. I was going to make me a drink. And I just have a craving for popcorn. So I was going to make me some popcorn and have a drink while I'm working on making the baked mac and cheese. And then I still want to film my videos. And I wanted to film them tonight. Which, I know it's 4 in the morning now. But basically, while I was getting ready to make me a drink, and I just got the water boiling for the pasta, the noodles, whatever they're called, the elbows of for the mac and cheese. And I don't know, I looked at the freezer and realized, where's the ice cream? Because one of the things I got was some ice cream, some vanilla ice cream to go with the apple pie. Because, you know, that's my favorite dessert, is the apple pie with vanilla ice cream. We didn't have vanilla ice cream, so I got some. And I looked in the freezer, because I just got back from the store, and put everything away and started getting ready to make the baked mac and cheese and stuff. And then I just realized I don't see the ice cream. I was trying to remember, did I pull it out the bag? So I'm looking around. I was like, man, I went and looked in the car. It's not there. So I had to go all the way back to the store. And yeah, so it turns out I did leave it there. I forgot. So I guess she must have put it in a separate bag. So, man. But anyways, I'm making boxed mac and cheese, so it's not completely from scratch, but it's like you basically you cook these like you're making regular mac and cheese, but then you add in so you use this cheese that comes with it, but then you add in the sour cream and shredded cheese too. So you still like, you know, season it and everything. So it's still like really good. That's usually just how we make it most of the time, because it's usually, I don't know, that's just how we make it. So while I'm preparing the food and getting prepared to do my videos, I got me a mixed drink. Yeah, it's just vodka with peach juice, and I put some apple slices in it because that's just what I like to do. Popcorn with some sea salt and butter. What? What? Defense you, you go to sleep. Go to sleep. Look at this. Yes. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna cut up this jalapeno pepper to put in it. It's gonna be crazy. Right? Alright, so we got the cheese, we got the sour cream, and the jalapenos. I'm just gonna add a little bit of pepper and some paprika, and we'll be good to go. I'll mix this all up. Yes, sir. Now it's ready to put in the pan. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. So we're not actually going to put it in the oven until the morning when we're cooking on the food. So I put the lid over it because I'm putting it in the refrigerator for overnight. I'm so hungry. Now I'm just eating this leftover burger from Steak and Shake that I got from last night. Yeah.
Tell me you're getting this.
Oh, you're right.
It's more beautiful than I ever imagined.
You two have really messed things up. You were supposed to be asleep. It was over idea.
Hey! You threw off the sleigh.
Eat all your turkey. You eat your turkey. Hey y'all. Hi y'all. Do I sound like a Floridian? Hey y'all. Hey y'all. I'm a New Yorker. I'm a New Yorker, yo. I'm a New Yorker. I'm from New York, son. I'm from New York, son. Not a Floridian. I'm not a Floridian. I'm from New York. I'm from New York. I'm from New York, son. Anyway, I just got through filming my video on these cases. Oh, where's my phone? It's charging now because the battery's gonna die, but isn't this really pretty? It's from Momo case. XOXO Momo. So this is one of the cases. It looks great over my phone, my rose gold iPhone 7 Plus. So anyways, I will have a video up. I don't know what will be up first. This video, well, no. Actually, that, no. Yeah, y'all probably have already seen that video then. By the time you see this vlog, I think. Because I don't think I'm going to edit this vlog first. Because that one is way past due, so I gotta get that up. So you'll probably already have seen the video by the time I upload it. So, but yeah, basically I just did an unboxing video of these cases. Got different ones. They're good quality cases. They are a little bit on the pricey side. They're like, yeah, they're on the pricey side. But I do have a discount code, so if you did see the video, I did have a discount code in the description. You can get a discount if you use my code SeanaSparkle. I think it was SeanaSparkle 20. I don't know, but it's in the description of the other video, so go check it out. Yeah, and then I'm posting some pictures. I'm posting some cute selfies with my cases on Instagram because they asked for some Instagram pictures with the cases. So. And then what else? Oh, I was gonna do the video on my hair texture situation, but I don't know if I want to right now because it's 4 a.m. All right, so it's Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving night. So basically, yeah, it's the next night from when I was supposed to film the videos because I didn't end up filming the videos after I made that baked mac and cheese. I pretty much just went to bed because by the time I finished making the baked mac and cheese, and then of course I had to like clean up the kitchen and stuff and put like the dirty dishes away and everything. I had to load the dishwasher and basically clean up everything. By the time I was done doing all that, it was probably about, yeah, it was past 6 in the morning. So so I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to bed. And we just gonna have to figure it out. Probably do the videos tomorrow. Later on, Thanksgiving night. So, you know, I just had to basically, you know, I still have my hair the same. I just kind of refreshened up my hair a bit. I still got the clip-ins in. You know, redid my makeup. Because, you know, plus my makeup was looking all gross. Like, I had the makeup on for hours, you know, because I did my makeup like I was supposed to do the video way earlier. I wanted to do it before I went out to do Uber. I did Uber Eats last night. I was trying to do the video before, but then it got late, so I decided to just go out and do Uber Eats. I was gonna do it when I came back, and then I don't know. But by then it was like, it's 6 in the morning. I'm tired. It's 6 in the morning, and my makeup looks all gross on my face, and it's like, you know what? Nah, son, we ain't doing it like that, yo. So yeah, I just yeah, so I just redid my makeup. Just pretty much did it the same way I had it yesterday, and yeah, breaking out a little bit here, so that sucks, but hey. So yeah, I like my hair like this. I like doing these braids and then having the back out like this. I really like this. But anyways, it's time. I think it's time for me to wash my hair, and I'm thinking about straightening it because, did I ever mention that before? I'm probably gonna straighten, or did I don't know. But yeah, I'm probably gonna straighten my hair because, you know, it is like, since it's like colder out too, it'll be easier to keep it straight, and I can do like, because right now keeping it like this, even with the clip-ins and stuff, I gotta keep like detangling them and all that, and especially with this my hair texture change situation, and like, I don't know, like I just feel like right now it'd be easier to just like try to wear it straight for a while so that I don't have to like do much to it, and don't really have to deal with the texture change. I mean, like the two different textures, the coarse texture and the really soft straighter texture. But anyways, yeah, so I was gonna do the video on talking about that situation of what happened, but at this point it's 4 in the morning. Like, I really don't feel like sitting here talking about it right now. Like, there's other things I wanted to do tonight before I went to bed. Actually, I was gonna take a shower, and I still want some apple pie and vanilla ice cream. Shit. So it's already 4 a.m. so I don't know, because I don't know how long it would take me to like, I don't know how long the video would be, like how long it would take me to like explain everything and tell the story and stuff. So I'm thinking about maybe just wait until next week, maybe the beginning of next week, to film it, because then I'm just thinking like, at this point, by the time I even get around to editing it, it will probably not be till next week anyway, because I still got another vlog that I gotta edit, plus this case, this iPhone case video, and I don't know. Oh yeah, and I want to drink. I want to drink too, because Thanksgiving night I didn't have no alcohol. I was gonna have a drink, but I wanted to wait until I finished filming my video. But it was 4 a.m. so I don't know. I gotta decide what I want to do. And then, you know, yeah. And I don't know when I'll be straightening my hair either. I kind of wanted to do that this weekend too, but I probably won't until, I don't know, we'll see, because who knows what's gonna happen. I don't know, son. Alright, good night.
Bitches bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, down the cooler. This a rolling.